Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this update on potential Tropical Cyclone 15. So, potential Tropical Cyclone 15 has formed southwest of Haiti and southeast of Jamaica, and as of 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Sunday, October the 30th, potential Tropical Cyclone 15 has maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 1,005 millibars, and is moving west-northwest at 10 miles per hour. It has a 90% chance of official tropical cyclone formation over the next 48 hours and tropical cyclone development over the next 5 days. Now, looking at the latest satellite imagery of potential tropical cyclone 15, it is still looking disorganized on satellite, but we have now seen a mid-level circulation develop right about here, and we have seen an increase in convection around the center over the last 2 to 3 hours. So we're starting to see a little bit of signs of better organization, and we could be seeing a tropical depression or a tropical storm as soon as tomorrow. Looking at the official hurricane cone for potential tropical cyclone 15, uh, potential tropical cyclone 15 is expected to pass south of Jamaica by about 80 to 100 miles Tuesday after or Monday afternoon and Monday night. It'll move southeast of Jamaica early Tuesday morning, or southwest of Jamaica early Tuesday morning, south of the Cayman Islands Tuesday afternoon, and then is expected to become a hurricane by Tuesday night or early Wednesday morning as it moves north of Honduras, maintaining hurricane status Wednesday afternoon, and then it looks like we're going to be seeing a landfall in central Belize sometime between Wednesday night and Thursday morning. So make sure you are making hurricane preparations if you live across northern Honduras, eastern and central Guatemala, Belize, and the southeastern Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. We have tropical storm watches in effect for the entire island of Jamaica and tropical storm watches in effect for Grand Cayman Island. Looking at the latest spaghetti models for potential tropical cyclone 15, uh, potential tropical cyclone 15 is expected to move south-southwest of Jamaica between 50 and 100 miles in the next 24 hours. In the next 48 hours, PTC 15 is expected to move north of northeastern Honduras, and in the next 72 hours or 3 days, PTC 15 is expected to make landfall in central Belize, and in the next 96 hours will move over areas of southeastern Mexico and and then eventually move in the south central Mexico in the next 120 hours. Looking at the latest intensity guidance models for PTC 15, we're expecting a tropical storm in the next 12 to 24 hours. And in the next 48 hours, we could be seeing a strong tropical storm, and we could be seeing many of the models are taking it to near hurricane or hurricane status, but in the next 72 hours right before landfall. So make sure you are paying close attention to PTC 15 if you live across Jamaica, Grand Cayman, and areas of Honduras, Belize, and Guatemala. So looking at the rainfall accumulation across the Caribbean and Central America, regardless of development, we're going to be seeing major ongoing flooding across the Caribbean. We're expecting another 2 to 4 inches over the next uh, 5 to 7 days across Trinidad, Tobago, Grenada, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Lucia, and up towards Martinique, Dominica, through Guadeloupe, through St. Kitts and Nevis. we can be expecting another 1 to 2 inches. The Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico could be seeing another 4 to 7 inches of rain as another storm system and front stalls out later this week across the Puerto Rico Virgin Islands area. So we could be really seeing some pretty major flooding across the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico over the next 5 to 7 days. Haiti and the Dominican Republic, another 2 to 5 inches. The ABC Islands, another 3 to 5 inches. Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, and Suriname, another 3 to 5 inches with pockets of 6 to 7 inches. Panama, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, 2 to 6 inches. And then up towards where PDC 15 is expected to make landfall, Belize, we can be expecting 3 to 7 inches. And then I think this is Guatemala over here. Correct me if I'm wrong. We could be seeing about 3 to 7 inches and then about 2 to 4 inches across southeastern Mexico, according to the European model. So regardless of development, flooding is going to remain a huge concern all across the Caribbean, Northern South America, and Central America. And finally, looking at the GFS model, the GFS model is showing similar rainfall totals across the Caribbean, Northern South America, and Central America as the European model. So make sure you are please preparing for more flooding if you live across these areas. Thanks for watching this evening's update on potential Tropical Cyclone 15. I'll continue to update you guys as the days progress and on development. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful evening, my friends.